How's it going, guys? Carl here. Today we're going to be installing SSIS. We're going to show you guys how to install SSIS in 2022. Let's go ahead, jump right into it. All right, so what we're going to be doing is downloading Visual Studios, not 2022, because unfortunately in Visual Studios 2022 they get rid of the SSIS package. However, you can still download Visual Studios 2019, and I will provide all the links and everything that you will need in the description. So first thing first, we're going to scroll down here. First, just go to visualstudios.microsoft.com/downloads. We're going to ignore this. We're going to go down to all the way to the almost to the bottom. But we're going to click on this that says older downloads. Now, keep in mind that I already have this installed. I just want to show you guys how to install this as well. So we're going to click on older versions. Then we're just going to click on 2019. Once you click on that, you will get this pop-up screen. Welcome to Visual Studio. You can either hit confirm. Then this right here will load. Once that finished loading, next thing we're going to do is just going to click on downloads right here. Scroll down to Visual Studios 2019. Click on Visual Studios 2019, and then we're just going to look for Visual Studios Community version, and then you just click on download here. So you click on download there. It will then begin to download. So it just says blah, blah, blah. You can say keep. Once that finished downloading, you click on that executable, hit continue. It's going to finish downloading, and then you will see this pop up. So since I already had it downloaded, I'm going to just show you guys what you will need to do. So you're going to get this screen right here. The only ones that you will need is you're going to need this .NET desktop development, and you're also going to need the data storage and processing. And then you can just simply click install while downloading, and then that will download. Now keep in mind that if you already have Visual Studios open or anything, you will have to close it. To give yours time to download, just go ahead and hit pause right here on the video to once it downloads, and then just pick up after you guys finish downloading your version. Once it downloads, you're just going to hit launch. This will launch your Visual Studios. You don't want to do anything here. You just want to continue without code. And once you hit continue without code, you're going to go up to extensions, manage extensions. And then you want to go to the Visual Studio Marketplace. And then you want to scroll down to SQL Server Integration Service Projects. And then you want to download that. Once you download that, you can go to your downloads, and you will find it right here as Microsoft Data Tools. You can just double click it, and then you can just go ahead and install it. Once it installs, you can close it. So for sake of the video, since I've already downloaded, just go ahead and install. Pause this video until yours install, and then all you have to do once it installs is close it. Once that happens, you're going to basically close this out. So close everything back out. And then what you want to do is just relaunch Visual Studios Community 2019. It's going to open up, and what you want to do is create a new project. So you create the new project, and what you want to look for is integration. So it's here. You want to look for this integration project. So just type in integration services project. So you want to click on that, hit next, and then give it a name. So just call it project 1 SSIS. You're going to hit create. Once you have created it, then you can go over here to your SSIS packages, SSIS package, and that's how you download the SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick tutorial. I'm Carl Huff. Peace. Before you go, if you're new to this channel, here's a chance for you to subscribe and make sure you smash that thumbs up. Once again, Make sure you leave some comments down in the comment section. And if you want to check out some more videos that may help you learn on the go as you grow, you can do so right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.